The last version of figure eight that we will discuss is a double bite figure eight. In a double bite figure eight, typically where we will apply that is when we want to take a figure eight on a bite, create two bites coming out of it as opposed to one. Those two bites can be of great length or of significant length comparatively to our normal figure eight on a bite, and we'll use those in 2-point attachment applications such as a tending line on a Stokes basket. By creating two bites coming out of that figure eight on a bite, we can attach to both the head and foot portion of the Stokes basket and then have an effective single tending line coming out of that V that is created with that double bite eight. To tie the double bite eight, we typically want to make a larger bite of rope than what we would for a figure eight on a bite. We're not going to work with the bite end, we're going to work with the tail end. We're going to come all the way back towards that tail. We're going to start with our position one. We're going to do our first twist. And we're going to reset and do our second twist. At this point, we've got both those twists in the rope. Normally, we would push the bite through that opening, formulating our figure eight on a bite. In this application, however, we're going to put the bite to the side. We're going to bring up the middle of that bite of rope, and we're going to push that portion through the figure eight on a bite. As that portion progresses through the figure eight on a bite, we're going to pull up just enough that we can secure it with our hand. Then we're going to take the tail of the bite of rope and we're going to bring it all the way up over top of everything and bring it down to the bottom of the knot, pulling out on both bites, dressing out our knot, and then setting our knot, resulting in a double bite figure eight.